Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Maths Chapter 4 Parts and Wholes. I have already posted other chapters. If you want to go through the other chapters of Class 5 Maths, kindly check the playlist. I'll be giving the playlist in the description box. If you want to go through the other chapters, kindly check the playlist. First, let us get into the basics. What is fraction? In mathematics, fractions are represented as their numerical value can be defined as parts of a whole. Here you have only one whole. The whole is divided into many parts. See the first picture. Here this is whole. Whole part is colored. So let us take the shaded or colored as reference. Here the whole thing is colored. So we represent it as 1. Here we divided the circle into 2 halves. So the 2 is given here in the down part, and 1. Which part is colored, you have to mention it on the top. So 1 is colored out of 2. And see the third picture where the circle is divided into 4 parts and 1 is colored. So you have to write it 1 divided by 4. Similarly, here in fourth picture, 4 parts you have and 3 parts is colored. It is like the marks that you get in a test. Suppose you have total test marks 40. Out of 40, you will be getting 36, 32. So this is the total and this is the mark that you have obtained. So this is a simple real-time example. Next, we'll see the concept. So you have a pizza. You are dividing it into 8 pieces. So here the pizza is divided into 8. You have to write the total number down and draw a line and write the piece. We are going to give 1 piece for 8 members. So 1 by 8 is the fraction which represents this concept. Next we'll see parts of a fraction. You have 2 parts, numerator and denominator. The number which is above the line, this line, is called as numerator. The number which is below the line is called as denominator. Here 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Here 5 is numerator and 8 is denominator. So in this pizza concept, we have written 1 by 8. Here 8 is denominator and numerator is 1. Next we'll see type of fractions. Based on the properties of numerator and denominator, fractions are subdivided into different types. They are proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, equivalent fractions. First, let me explain what is proper fraction. First, we'll see proper fraction. What is proper fraction? 1 divided by 2. Here, the number numerator number. So numerator number is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. 1 is less than the 2. Then it is a proper fraction. What is improper fraction? 4 divided by 3. That is, numerator will be greater than denominator. That is improper fractions. What is mixed fraction? 1 by 2. So you will be having mixed. So this is called as mixed fraction. Then what is like fraction? Next we'll see like fractions. Like fractions are fractions in which you have denominator equal. 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. These are like fractions. Unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? When the denominator is not equal. Suppose 5 by 4, 2 by 3. So when denominator are not equal, then we call it as unlike fractions. Next we'll see equivalent fractions in detail. Equivalent fractions. two fractions are equivalent to each other if after simplification either of two fractions is equal to other one. See here example 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. 2 divided by 3, here you are multiplying the denominator into 2 and numerator into 2. So you will be getting 4 divided by 6. So this and this is equivalent fractions. Convert a fraction to an equivalent fraction. Suppose you have a number and you have to find the equivalent fractions. First number is you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 or 3, 4. You can keep on multiplying to get the equivalent fraction. See here 1 by 3. And if you multiply into 2, you will be getting 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by 12, 5 by 15, 6 by 18. Here all these are equivalent fractions. There are two ways to make the fraction equivalent. Equivalent fraction can be built to very large numbers. See here, very large numbers you have built. Equivalent fraction can be reduced to smaller number. 6 by 8 can be reduced to 1 by 3. It can also be reduced, it can also be built to very large numbers. Next, now look at this flag. How much of it is black? Here, a flag is divided into 3 parts. Black color is 1/3 of it. So it is 1 by 3. The green part of the flag can be written as 1 by 3. 3 parts they have divided. One part is green color. Is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Yes, because you can see the design. This white color. So it is less. Yes. This is flag of Myanmar. So this is flag of Myanmar, our neighbor. Is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? So when you divide, so it would be approximately here. Okay, it is less than 1/4. It is not more than. It is not more than. No, it is not more than. Guess how much of the flag is red? It is more than half. Yes, it is more than half. It is more than 3/4. Yes, because here it is somewhat not equally divided. So it is more than 3 by 4. Next, this is a practice question. Manju had a chocolate. So she is having a chocolate. She has chocolate bars of 12. She gave 1/4 of it to Raji. 1/4 of it to Raji. So 4 goes in 4 table 1 time. 12 goes in 4 table 3 times. So Raji will be getting 3. So here you can write Raji. 3 bars Raji will be getting. Sugata will be getting 1/3. 1/3 into 12, you will be getting 4. So Sugata will be getting 4. 1/6 to Sheila. 1/6 of 12 is 2. So Sheila will be getting 2. How many pieces of chocolate did each get? She ate the remaining part. Manju ate the remaining part. So Manju would have got, left here is for Manju. So Manju would have got 3. So when you add, you should be getting 12. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 5 is 12. So this is the answer for this question. Next, color the hearts. Always find the whole number. So whichever is total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you have totally 15 hearts. Color 1/3 of the hearts red. So 1 by 3 into 15 is 5. So you have to color 5 as red. 5. Color 3/5 hearts blue. 3 by 5 of 15. 1, 3, so 9. The answer is 9. You have to color 9 hearts as blue. How many hearts did you color red? So here the answer is 5. Here the answer is 9. What part of the hearts are not colored? So you know that it is total. From total you have to minus this. So 14. The answer is 1. 1 is not colored. Next, equal parts of a triangle. The white triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. You can color each part into different color. Say red, blue, green. You are going to color. So you have to check whether these parts are equal. Yes, they are equal. Now try to make 3 equal parts of this triangle in a different way. So you can make like this, something like this, and color different colors. You can try in your own way. This way also you can do. So whichever way you want, you can do. Next, 6 parts of a rectangle. Rani has divided a green rectangle into 6 equal parts. Here all the parts are equal. Now you divide each of these rectangles into 6 equal parts. Use a different way for each of these 3 rectangles. So you can draw something like this, this, and this. Make sure all the rectangles are equal. Next, make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grid. See here, one pattern is colored. Blue color is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So blue is 8 divided by 16. Total parts is 16. So 8 divided by 16. White is 8 divided by 16. You are going to make different patterns for grid B, C, D and color on your own and write the fraction part of it. See, for B, I have colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here pink is 6 by 16, white is 10 by 16. Next here, this is a pattern. So 10 by 16 is brown color, 6 by 16 is white color. Next, this is another pattern where you will be getting 8 by 16 is yellow and 8 by 16 is white. Similarly, you can also draw your own pattern and write down the fraction part of it. Next, look again at grid A. Is the grid colored? Here they have given 4 options. You have to mark wrong on the wrong answer. So this is the grid. So half blue, half white. Yes, this is true. 2 by 4 blue, 2 by 4 white is true. See, 3 by 8 blue, 5 by 8 white is wrong. This is wrong. 4 by 8 blue, 4 by 8 white is right. So the option here wrong is you have to mark wrong on C. Next, Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Srija got 2 by 5 of the tomatoes and 3 by 6 of the potatoes. Nancy got the rest of the vegetables. Circle Abu Bakr's share in blue. Circle Srija's share in yellow. First, always find the whole, that is total. Total number of tomatoes is 20 and total number of potatoes is 18. Abu Bakr's share is 1/5 of the tomatoes. So 1 by 5 of 20 is 4. Srija's share is 2 by 5 of 20 in tomatoes. So it is 8. So 20 minus 12 is 8. Nancy's share is 8 in tomatoes. Total number of potatoes is 18. Abu Bakr's share is 1/3. So 1/3 of 18 is 6 and 3 by 6 of the potatoes is 9. So Nancy's share is 18 minus 15 is 3. So this is how you should circle. 4 Abubakar part in blue. Here's Trija's part. Remaining one is for Nancy. Here Abubakar part 4. Abubakar part is 6 here. So 6 here. And potatoes Trija part is 9. And remaining is 3. When you total all the numbers, you have to get the when you total the parts, you have to get the total. See here, 4 plus 8 plus 8 is 20, and 6 plus 9 plus 3 is 18. Next, what part of each shape is colored? First guess the answer, then check. Here, first you have to imagine in which way it is divided. See here, this is the actual division. Here it is divided into 8 parts and 1 part is colored. Here in the second picture, it is divided into 6 parts and 1 part is colored. Here it is divided into 9 parts and 2 parts is colored. Here it is divided into 15 parts and 4 parts is colored. Next, rupees and pies. How many? Here it is 50 pies. Here it is 25 pies. How many 50 pies will make 1 rupee? So 250 pies will make 1 rupee. Is 50 pies half of 1 rupee? Yes. How many 25 pies will make 1 rupee? 4. 25 pies is 1 by 4th. 20 pies is 1 by 5. How many 10 pies will make 1 rupee? So 10 pies will make 1 rupee because 100 pies equal to 1 rupee. So 10 pies is 1 by 10 part of 1 rupee. Next, Arun's timetable. Arun's timetable is given. Sleeping is 1/3 of a day. So number of hours that Arun sleeps is 1/3. So 25 divided by 3 is 8. 1/8 of a day he'll be playing. So 25 divided by 8 is playing is 3. Studying is 1 by 4. 25 divided by 4 is 6. So sleeping is 8. Studying is 6 and playing is 3. So you have to find the part of day in which he does other activities. So you have to divide all 8 plus 3 plus 6, which is 17. 24 minus 17 is 7. So 7 hours he spends for other activities. So here I have given the coloring one. So sleeping is here sleeping and studying here 6 and playing 3. This is for remaining activities 7 hours. Next, Kirti's shopping list. Here this is the price in the shopping. We'll first calculate the small calculation. First one, how much does 2 kg of tomato cost? So your 1 kg of tomato is 12. 2 kg is 12 plus 12, 24 rupees. Always you have to write the unit. Half kg of tomato cost rupees 6. 2.5 kg of tomato cost 12 plus 12. Half kg is 6. So we'll be getting 30 rupees. 3.5 kg of potato. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. You will be getting 35. Next, Rahim's journey. Rahim has to travel 1 by 4 kilometer to reach the school. What distance does he travel to go to school and come back home? So you have to double this number. See here, 1 by 4 can be written as 5 by 4. 5 by 4 5 plus 5 by 4 is 10 by 4. 10 by 4 can be written as 5 by 2, that is 2.5 kilometer. 2.5 kilometers the answer. Lata bought a pencil and a pen for 7.5 rupees. So she gave 10 rupees. 10 minus 7.5. The shopkeeper would have given rupees 2 rupees 50 paise. So what are the coins she got? So she would have got. So the shopkeeper gave back the money in half and quarter rupees. So in half and quarter rupees only he gave the money back. It can be either 5 50 paise coins or 10 25 paise coins, or it can be shuffled. At the railway station, your attention please. Mangalore Express coming from Mangalore and going to Thiruvananthapuram is now running late by half an hour. Half an hour meaning is 30 minutes. Oh, the train is late today. The right time is a 6:45. What is 6:45? 6:45 is the time. What time is the train expected to come today? Half an hour late. So it would come 7:15. So here it is not mentioned AM or PM. So you can just leave. So 7:15 is the time. Nazia gets off at the station after 2.5 hours. So after 2.5 hours, she gets off. So she will be getting off at 9:45. Shaji will take 5 hours travel. So 7:15 plus 5, you will be getting 12:15. So here it is 12:15. Here it is 9:45. Next we'll see some sample questions. Circle the correct shaded fraction from the given 4 choices. So here 2 by 6 is the answer. Here 3 parts is colored. So 3 by 4. Next, write the first 3 equivalents of fractions. So 2 by 3 is given. You have to multiply first into 2 into 3. So 4 by 9. Then into 2 into 2. Okay, 4 by 6 first. Next, into 3 into 3. So 6 by 9. Next, 8 by 12. Similarly, you can find the other answer. Shade the shapes according to the given fraction. 3 by 6. So 3 parts should be colored. 3 by 8. So again here also 3 parts should be colored. Say true or false. 2 by 5 of 30. 2 by 5 of 30 is 15. So 5 goes in 5 table 1 time and 30 goes in 6 times. So it is 6. 2 into 6 are 12. So 2 by 5 of 30 is 12. So this is false. 3 by 7 of 28 is 12. Correct. So it is true. These are the sample questions. Filling the blanks. Half of 1 rupee is 50 paise. 1 by 5 of 120 is rupees 20. 3 by 4 of 200 is rupees 150. Because 50-50 you will be dividing. 3 part of it is 150. 45 seconds is dash of a minute. So in fraction you have to say 3 by 4 of a minute. Okay, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 3 by 4 is 45 seconds. 75 paise is the same 3 by 4 of 1 rupee. 12 hours is half of day. So 24 hours, 24 divided by 2 is 12. 1 day is dash of a week. In week you will be having 7. So 1 by 7 is the answer. Next, what is 1 by 3 of 27? So 9 times. So it is 9. 1 by 6 is 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are. So 8. Half of an hour is 30 minutes because you have to divide it by 2. 3 by 10 of an hour. 3 by 10 of an hour is 60. So it is 18 minutes. So these are the sample questions that you will be getting in this chapter. So this chapter ends here. We have covered the basic and sample questions and the textbook questions, important questions, real-time example. Hope this video is useful and understanding. We'll see in the next chapter video. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.